Meaning of darkly.
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 Darkly. The word darkly is an adverb that describes something done in a manner that is mysterious, sinister, or obscure. It denotes the absence of light or brightness and can also imply an ominous mood or feeling of foreboding. It may be used to describe a situation, event, or character that has an air of secrecy or concealment, and involves potentially harmful or unpleasant consequences. The use of darkly can evoke a sense of unease or apprehension in the reader or listener, and adds depth and nuance to descriptions and narratives.